Guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today we're giving the baby lion a blueberry and see how he reacts to it. I've never really given him a blueberry, so I don't know what to expect, but we're gonna find out. Let's go see what happens. All right, Cobes, are you ready for this? Okay, come here. Come here. Okay, sit. Here. You can have it. It's a blueberry. There you go. What? Kobe? You can have the blueberry, bro. Kobe. Do you not like the blueberry? What's going on? Kobe, eat the blueberry, brother. What are you doing? Look. What are you doing? Kobe, eat the blueberry. Are you done with the blueberry? Kobe?